Have you ever had this experience where you move into a new place, you've got boxes everywhere, you've got tools everywhere, there's packaging tape, people are crying, there's construction debris. Okay, maybe not the crying, maybe the construction debris. So we just recently moved our office and it was parts of those things. There was boxes everywhere, furniture everywhere, people running around, all kinds of questions, all kinds of details. And it got me thinking about entering into this next season of business, how so often we approach our calendar in a way that would be like a move gone wrong. So here's an example. So when you move, you have the option to pack up all the old stuff and bring it with you to the new place. Now, what I've discovered is anytime I move, it's really, really helpful to decide, hey, do I want this thing at the new location, or is it time to move on? Is it not the season to have this item anymore? So try this on for size and think about this moving into the new season, your new calendar for the upcoming weeks, the upcoming quarter, the upcoming season in your business. Act like you are renovating a mental space. Act like you are moving from one area to another area and you have some choices to make. Okay, so there's really 3 different areas where you need to decide, am I going to take this with me or am I going to renovate the space and it's going to be new to support what I'm trying to do? So the very first one is your schedule. And this is going to sound wild, but if you're good at your calendar, we have electronic calendars now. It makes it really, really easy to have stuff set on repeat. Actually, just erase everything. Erase everything. And maybe make a note of it all somewhere and erase everything and add it back in if it's in alignment with your goals and the new season of your life. Okay. It would be similar to moving into a new home and just waiting and looking at it and purpose built, put the furniture in there, purpose built, selecting the artwork and the items and thoughtfully adding stuff to the home rather than just like, well, I had all this crap at the old house, might as well put it in this house. Okay. You want to be very, very purposeful with your schedule. The second one is your mindset. Okay, we are humans, we're creatures of habit, and so we have the same thoughts, the same thought patterns, the same mindset on repeat every single day. And my encouragement would be to catch those, analyze them, and choose if you want to bring that to your new season of life, or if that was an old mindset that might have served you in the past, but you don't want to take that into your newly renovated mental space. And then the last one is your habits. Okay, you're a new you. It's a new season. You have new goals, new things that you're trying to accomplish. Just like we did with the schedule, just like we did with the mindset, let's do that with the habits. Hey, I used to always do it this way. Ask yourself, am I going to choose to do that in the future? Is that a habit I want to move forward? So I heard this quote. I don't know who to attribute it to right now, but the quote is, what you're not changing, you are choosing. What you're not changing, you are choosing. And as full-grown adults with choices, every single day, if you look at your calendar, your schedule, your mindset, and your habits, if you're not actively changing those things to be more in alignment with this new season of your life, well, you're choosing those. And so hopefully this is helpful. Analyze, act like you're moving into a brand new space, and that will help you as you renovate your mental space for this next season of life.